guys, today we're gonna show you and we're gonna make a house made by my cousin. I'm not doing a name reveal yet. I'll do it when I'm live. I hope this is assisted. Okay, let's do this.
Ay, wala na papasok ng laruan. Pangsuntok dito. I'm so sorry.
Bro, I will tell you this is so hard. This is harder than it looks. It may look easy, but it's hard.
Hala, wag na kayo. Wag mo na kayo pumasok. Wag kayo papasok muna. Uy, gusto namin. Ayusin natin. Itong baybayan. Bro, alis na muna kayo. Hindi kami makakapag-ayos ng bahay.
Yeah, they're not annoying.
They're only annoying. I'm done! Inaanoy naman nila ako. Labas muna kayo. Ayaw namin! Hindi kayo papasok dito. Sige. Ayaw namin! Eh di ayaw niyong pumunta dito. Perfect! Ayaw namin yung sinasabi.
I've done my part. My side.
Now,
Now, how are you gonna do hers?
yeah.
Wow, what must
Ang hirap Ate Ivy. Can you help me here?
Sabihin mo, hindi na wag sirain, okay?
Iwag mo yung sila, Emma.
Wee!
Eh.
Okay, now can you please talk to the channel while I do
Wee!
this? Okay, I'll take care of it.
Guys,
I'll keep them entertained.
I'm so sorry of the little mess.
Of the
My
delay.
baby brother making. Okay, sorry.
Don't say the name. Don't say the name.
Okay. Hala. Lagay tayo ng mga unan dito.
Bro!
Walang mabaho dito. Ay, sinong mutot? Ganito si Pio. Ayoko mutot. Ayoko din mutot. Si Pio. Nawa, magbigay ka din ng mga unan na gagamitin, okay?
This is way harder than it looks. Guys, please do not make this at home with your cousins.
Lola, wag ka talon-talon! Sinasira mo. Aray! Kita ganda, sinabunutan ako. Ano ba yan? Tataang ako eh. Oh, magsusumbong ka eh. Wala naman akong ginawa. It's super hard. Don't try this in home. Very hard. Ng mama ko.
It's very hard. It's harder than it looks.
O, you know ba? Doon ka muna sa babata.
Where?
Pagkatapos namin, tawagin ko kayo. Paano ako papasok kung nasa layo na? Eh, hindi pa tapos eh. Bakit hindi ko na ito nakula? Ano na? Ginugulo niyo dyan sa baba. Ayusin niyo yan!
Sorry for that.
Oh, Yoti!
Masyadong maliit siya, Noah. Masyadong maliit
Hindi
siya.
pa yan nag-aaral, Noah!
Ah?
Hindi pa yan nag-aaral. Hindi pa yan nag-aaral? Oo! Kasi
Napapagwaraw.
pahiram na harap ako. Iya. Ate, I get some new pillow. Ate, hindi na to kinaran. Ate, bilang what I get. Yay! Okay? Be careful.
Yay! We're almost done with the house.
Yeah. Don't try this in home because it's very hard.
Yes, especially especially with your younger cousins. They have to be 6 or above.
But if I get that,
So I'm just gonna keep you entertained while my other cousins build a house. 'Cause I literally have nothing else to do. Oh my god. Bingo!
sino ang gumawa na to?
Broccoli time! You gotta eat the veggies!
I was gonna. No.
Stay healthy.
Kung ano ka prepare? Alam, natandaan mo
Papa! Alis ka pa! Kami ng bahay eh.
Oo, ang pagkabilang.
Okay, finally.
Now, we're doing the final
Dalawang
touches.
sadaling ka sa bahay.
Ate Jana! Pangit mo!
Yan kasi babalik ko lang yan.
But Noah is gonna have to leave.
What?
Noah's gonna have to leave.
Yeah.
Report back tomorrow. And we will tell you our name. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Nawashin niyo na sa door.
Bye, Noah.
Wala, mabalulong na.
Now, oh my god. No. Everybody left.
Now I will gonna go
Hoy!
in.
Ano ako? Hoy! How about the foam? Kukunin namin yung foam.
Okay, wag na.
Wala ka kaming higaan doon. Hindi! May iniwan ako dito. Yan yung ibabalik ko na doon kasi madami na akong ano na gala.
This is our
Nakuha kasi
Please
yung
like and
oo.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone.
So, we're gonna, this is just part 1. We're gonna make the